Okay, if anyone can make the doll make a sound.
Yeah.
Sorry, yeah, it's just me.
Are you staying?
Yeah, I'm going to just. I'm
You're going to stay down there.
going to stay down this end.
Can you sit on one of the chairs? You want it really, really quiet. That's the only thing.
Yeah.
That's it, because it's nice and warm.
I'll tell you what it's actually doing.
Right, everyone, super quiet. See if we get any responses.
Just sit back a bit. Yeah.
Right, we all sat comfy. Is anyone here? Can you tap on the windows, on the doors, anything you like, so we can hear you, please? Can you see us? If you can, you make a sound in here, please, so you know we know you're here with us.
Can I ask a question?
Yeah, of course you can.
If you're a bit bored of us asking you questions all the while, then play a game. See if you can scare us. Tap on a window, try and scare us so we scream.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're all still down there.
Do you want to touch one of the toys? Can you come touch one of us? Is that one of you moving your feet? No. Did anyone feel that under their feet? Yeah. It was a tap, and I felt it under my foot. Just my left foot, not here. It sounded like this was none of us was moving. No. There's an empty seat next to me. Come and sit next to me if you can.
There's lots of little green lights. People are holding it in their hand, little things with green lights. Can you affect those? If you come closer, change colour. Can you do that? I'm quite quiet actually.
If you're scared of us, why don't you tap on the window so we know you're there? If there's a little boy or a little girl, why don't you turn things lights? Because if you touch it, it will change. It goes from green all the way up to red. And see if you can get it up to a different colour. Yeah. That was down that end.
Phil, was that you?
No, I heard it over here by the door.
Is that you?
Thank you for making that noise. Oh, thank you. Oh, that's lovely. Thank you.
Can you turn the other ones on?
Yeah, can you let the other dog go off? Ah, that was really cool. We got quite scared by that. Can you do it again with the other dog? Tap on the window. Oh, thank you very much. Can you tap on the window? That quite scared us. That did. That was really good.
Can you do it again? With a different dog? Are you a child? Do you find it funny when you scare us?
If you go close to the door, there's little blue lights down there. Can you touch one of those? I saw me do that earlier.
Come on, you can scare us again. That was really good. Turn on any of the lights, the dolls, the lights, tap on the glass. We haven't got long here. One last time, be really cool, please.
Did you die from a head injury? I have a really bad headache. It's like one side of my face.
Do you know what?
That's a random question, but
Do you know what it's like, right? It's almost like we're watching a film and Phil's about to meet his doom down there.
Oh, thank you. Were you joining us and laughing then? Did you find it funny? Were you joining us? Do you prefer it? Do you prefer it when we're like laughing and our emotions are higher? If you prefer that, then can you light up the other dog? Oh, thank you very much. That was brilliant.
Thank you, you made us all jump then. It's really funny. Can you do that again? Make us all laugh then.
Do you prefer it when we're all laughing? Is that because our emotions is all heightened and you want to join in? If it is, then you can start it off this time. Make one of the dolls light up and you'll see us all jump again.
What was that?
It's a groaning noise.
Yeah. Like that. Behind me. Yeah.
Yeah,
Like that.
even with my dicky ear, I could hear that.
Yeah, I heard something.
Did you hear it as well?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're the same person that was trying to whisper to us earlier.
Hear that groaning noise again, please.
What happened in this carriage? I wonder why this particular carriage is brought there.
You did say we should have had another carriage as well, but it was shipped down somewhere else. We should have had two carriages.
Right. Do you want us to try and make you laugh?
We've got to go soon, so can you come close to one of us? Touch me? Touch one of us before we go? What was that?
That was us. I've just put my app on.
Oh.
What's this one, Marie?
Ghost Tube, this one. Come tell us your story. Why are you here? Who you are. I don't know. Are you a child? Do you like playing with the toys?
It's really cold up here.
Not that walk down here.
My nose is cold. My feet are freezing. What feet? No. Yeah. My feet are cold. Yeah, nothing changed. If you're here, can you warm the temperature up a bit, please? Yes, please. We're very cold.
Go on, scare us. Go on, scare us before we go back. Before we go back, one scare, one really good scare, make us all scream.
I promise you, the one will jump onto their seat if you do it.
I just saw a shadow come across there.
I don't know.
Cash out. We're used to you if you don't know.
Quite close to where Rob was, just past those doors. Just the sun. No, on the other, on this side.
See it.
Yeah. You might be the guy's job's worth is the rest of the station.
Can you tell us what your name is at least? Yeah, wait for it. Will it come up again? Why don't we try another app?
Can someone, can maybe if we like call out to like, if they could mimic tapping again, if we can like tap.
Yeah. Can you copy this?
What's that?
iPhone.
Oh, great.
So this is basically backward words, but you've got to listen for forward words. Control. Come on. No, I'm on right.
That's a bit coincidental, isn't it?
Sex. Listen, bitch, you saw that party, right? I'm too cold to do anything, my assets are frozen.
Would you be able to tap again?
Can you just move that K2 away or from the phone? Just so
Yeah.
that's weird, isn't it? Shouldn't be doing that.
Shouldn't do it so I'm on flight mode.
Yeah.
No, mine's a little bit.
I like that actually. Why would we do that?
Just so that we know that you are definitely with us, can you not even try to change the colour of the lights and have pay 2 metres? If I show you, look. Oh,
Oh,
that was a bit. Yeah.
a bit dark, wasn't it?
Do it again.
You hear that?
Yeah.
A menacing growl, wasn't it?
Do you want someone to play with you?
Oh, it's no game noisy. Yeah.
It's frozen on I know you.
You make a growling sound up this end.
You got what?
If we can make a growling sound up this end and try and scare me, that'd be really good. Just before I go back. A deep growling sound. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Okay. Oh, thank you very much. Can you do the other doll? Can you do the other doll for me? Oh, that's so cool. Thank you. Come on, try and do the other doll. That was really, really good. I so appreciate that. Yeah. Thank you very much indeed. That was really cool. Can you growl for me? One last growl would be really cool. Really scare us. That will really scare us if you could growl.
I think we could try the last few minutes. How about a good old fashioned Hatch radio?
Yes, Steve, stick it on.
Oh, what?
Hatch radio.
Yes. Is that like the...
What's Spirit Box?
Yeah. Proper old fashioned, not app, not anything like that.
Proper, good old fashioned.
I can't see what it's
radio.
Bit of analog.
Analog.